Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix share my location is not working on iPhone. So guys, if your iPhone share my location is not working, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is make sure location services is enabled. Go to the settings, little bit scroll up, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services. If toggle, turn it off, turn it on back, and share my location, tap on it. If turn it off, simply turn it on and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check permission for the app. Go to the setting, privacy, location, app name, and ensure like Snapchat. Simply you can see have Snapchat, tap on settings, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services. Make sure Snapchat location services is enabled. If not enabled, simply always select always and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve all the issues and bugs from iPhone. Simply tap on general, tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is reset location services setting. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset location and privacy. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset settings and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is disable and re-enable location services. Again, tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find privacy and security, tap on location services, toggle turn it off, and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now reboot your iPhone. Simply tap on, press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for physical damage. If your iPhone has physically damaged, it may be affecting the GPS, antenna, and location services is not working. Now visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix iPhone antenna and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, reset your iPhone settings. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings and fix this problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix share my location is not working on iPhone after new iOS update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.